Right, now we are driving. We're going to town just to see how this place looks like. You know, we've been always wanted to come just to see how beautiful. Look how beautiful this place is, guys. You know, such a wonderful place. Very good place. Beautiful city. Beautiful place. So we are continuing. This is how it is. We're going. This is now. I can't say it's a highway. It is a highway. No, not a highway. But it is just a road that is connecting with the main city center. I hope so, and I believe it is. Right, beautiful, wonderful place. You know, if you've never been to Doha, guys, you know, you need to come to Doha, come to Qatar. You know, see places. You know, sometimes it's very good to travel. You know, travel to see places. You know, see some other people, other cultures, how they live their lives, so forth. It's always very helpful. You know, unlike sitting one place. You know, when God created us, He said, "My children, go out and dwell. Go out and dwell and explore, enjoy the world." So you've got an opportunity, as much as you are still alive. Use your time wisely, you know, in order for you to be able to, before you leave this earth, at least you would have experienced, you know, something about life. Sitting one place, suffocating yourself about certain things won't help you. You know, you will just become. Have you ever seen a horse? A horse, they put something on their ears, on the ears, and the eyes. It's supposed to face one place. It's not supposed to face on the other side. So you can't live such a life. You know, you need to be able to move and see beautiful places. You know, it is very good. We are so proud, you know, to have seen, to have come. Yeah, there, baby, there.
You left it?
No, it's flat. I said I'm gonna give him the camera. Yeah, my boy.
Oh, are you not pressing? Oh, I thought you did already.
Yeah, my boy. Jake, give Jake the phone.
Even Jake, make sure they show.
Those are the buildings. Those are the buildings. Those are the buildings. We're looking for those. Baby, do you know how we slept there, baby?
This phone takes better than Eva's.
We slept there, baby. Remember?
Which phone? I remember.
We slept there, 2012. When we came here, 2012. We slept in one of those buildings. They put us there, and they said
we had only like 5 hours.
we didn't even enjoy our 5 hours.
What happened?
Are we going to those buildings, my brother? Yeah, we want to go to those buildings.
City center.
Yeah, wanna go
We
there.
must just keep them. I tried to put them on phone.
Is that West Bay?
Yes.
Yeah, want to go there. Wanna go to those places, those buildings. So is this the only place that has got buildings like that?
Beautiful.
Is this the only place that has got buildings like that? Or is there any other place again with such buildings?
This side?
Yeah, is it only that place, huh?
Yes.
Yo, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful.